The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization established on 24th October 1945. Its main aim is to promote international cooperation. During the Second World War, the need for an agency was felt who could act as a successor to the League of Nations. So, the United Nations character was drafted. In addition to maintaining peace and security, the United Nations ambit includes other important objectives like developing friendly relations among countries based on respect for the principles of equal rights and self determination of people, achieving worldwide cooperation to solve international economic, social, cultural, and humanitarian problems, respecting and promoting human rights, and serving as a center where countries can coordinate their actions and activities towards these various ends. Objective of United Nations is maintaining international peace and security, and its commitment to economic and social development. The organization participated in major nones in Korea and Congo, as well as approving the creation of the State of Israel in 1947. The organization's membership grew significantly. UN took major military and peacekeeping missions across the world with varying degrees of success. The UN Security Council is another branch in the organization of the United Nations and is the most powerful of all the branches. It has power to authorize the development of militaries. It can mandate a ceasefire during conflicts and can enforce penalties on countries if they do not comply with the given mandates. The next branch of UN is International Court of Justice. It is located at Hague, Netherlands. This branch is responsible for the judicial matters of the UN. The Economic and Social Council is a branch that assists the General Assembly in promoting economic and social development. Finally, the Secretariat is the branch of UN headed by the Secretary General. Its main responsibility is providing studies, information, and other data. In addition to maintaining peace, United Nations also safeguards the human rights of people and extends humanitarian assistance and cooperation whenever needed. It provides food, drinking water, shelter, and other humanitarian services to people displaced by famine, war, and natural disaster. UN aids significantly in social and economic development. This is the largest source of technical grant assistance in the world. The United Nations also annually publishes the Human Development Index to rank countries in terms of poverty, literacy, education, and life expectancy. For the future, the UN has established a set of goals. These are called as Millennium Development Goals. Members have agreed to achieve these goals related to reducing poverty, child mortality, fighting disease and epidemics, and developing a global partnership in terms of international development. However, the United Nations has been successful over the years, and only the future can tell how the true realization of these goals will play out. The Olympics play an important part not only in the sport life but also in the cultural life of the global community. The Olympics involve nations from all over the world, and they are the major sport events in every 4 years in the entire world. At the same time, the Olympics attract not only sport persons but also spectators who are interested in sports and who either attend Olympics in the area where they take place or watch the broadcasts of Olympic Games. The Olympics have a considerable impact on the development of the personal, national, and global identity of people because the Olympic Games are the major event in the sport life of the world, and people get involved into the Olympics at all levels, that is from individual participation or involvement into the Olympics to the national and global level when people form and support their national teams and compete with other teams and sports person from all over the world. Therefore, the Olympics are socially important events that take place every 4 years and shape the individual, national, and global identity. Historically, the Olympics were internationally significant event that until people from all over the world. The Olympics are the major sport event that takes place every 4 years. Olympic is the ultimate manifestation of the greatest achievements in the field of sports, since every sports person participating in the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games, including all the sports registered by the International Olympic Committee. Sportsperson and teams are qualified for the Olympic Games in the course of the competitions which take place prior to the Olympics during 4 years period. Moreover, the Olympics have a considerable symbolic significance. For instance, historically, the Olympics were associated with the time when all wars either ended up or stopped for the time the Olympics ran. The Olympic Games have become a unifying event that united people on the ground of their love to sports and healthy lifestyle. At the same time, the Olympics have a considerable impact at all levels, ranging from the individual level to the global one. However, in spite of the level of the impact of the Olympics contribute to the formation of the imagined community, which allows people to shape the imagined identity which fades away when the Olympics end. People perceive the Olympics in different ways, but they can hardly stay indifferent or unaffected by the Olympics. In addition, it is possible to distinguish participants of the Olympics and the spectators, that is, those individuals who attend the competitions as well as those who watch broadcasts of those competitions. Sportspersons participating in the Olympics develop their identity in the form of unity. National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority has revised the MRP of Remdesivir. However, it has come to our notice that several other drugs which are being prescribed by doctors for treating COVID 19, like paracetamol and other tablets, are being priced at very expensive rates. It will be in public interest to ensure that the price of essential drugs is fixed in such a manner that it is available even to the most marginalized sections of the society. The government can even monitor the prices of the drugs. The central government has submitted that it plans to import remdesivir. It can also consider importing other essential drugs to meet the immediate demand of the drug while the production is increased. Since these medicines are being prescribed by doctors, people are facing inconvenience in obtaining them due to their shortage in certain parts of the country. The central government should consider that whether the production of such medicines should be augmented to meet the demand, or instructions should be given to the doctors to not recommend such medicines. The supply of remdesivir is already under consideration of central government. Meeting was also held with the manufacturers to review the stock position, availability and production plans. In order to clamp down on this practice, the central government can consider constituting a special team to identify and prosecute those who sell medical oxygen or COVID 19 medicines at exorbitant prices. A protocol for ambulances must also be evolved to avoid unreasonable charges. The central government can consider creating a platform for easy reporting and redressal of such cases. The evidence is insufficient for the outcomes critical for making decision on the role of remdesivir in the treatment of patients with COVID 19. So, it is impossible to balance possible benefits with the adverse effects and costs. Stop.